So this tutorial is on the piece, The Ice Skater. It's a very short piece that only involves the notes on the A string. So A, B, C sharp, and D. Okay, those four notes. And so it begins with the third finger. And for those of you who have or who are learning this in class with me, well, you know what I'm talking about. The ice skater piece. Okay, so let's begin. I'll play it through first. So it's in 3/4 time. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I accidentally looked at my fingers there at the end. So the ending just goes right 3 3 2 3 3 3, and I think you guys know these notes. We did it in class, and you guys did a great job with reading these notes, with the letter names, and with the finger numbers. And oh, we could also read them with the syllables. Fa, 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 mi, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa, mi, fa, fa. So a lot of different ways to read those notes. Okay, so notice when I played it, I'm starting from the middle bow to the tip. And for those of you who don't know, there are 3 parts of the bow. The frog, that's the bottom of the bow, the frog, the middle, and then we have the tip. So for this piece, we're only going to use the half bow, so from the middle to the tip. Practice this on an open string, and it's going to look like this. Okay, and then try that again, and you want to make sure your when you're playing, and I know we talked about this in class, make sure your elbow is not doing this, right? Not, but keep that elbow still. Keep it lower than your wrist, right? And then I turned around so you could see my fingers. And then now I'm going to do it one more time on this side so you can see my bow. So you can see how I pull my bow arm straight. What was I going to say? The bow goes in between the bridge and the fingerboard over the F holes when you're pulling it. And that's it. So let me know if you have any questions about that. I hope this was helpful, and have fun practicing.